How to fix app crashing in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on your profile icon. Scroll down, click on manage app and device. Click on update available. Now here you will see update app. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be updated from your phone. And if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, scroll down, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset by setting and again click on reset by setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix app crashing in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.